Today I'm going to show you one of the beautiful spots in Bavaria and Germany, and if you enjoy lakes, mountains, hiking and heading down into old salt mines, then just keep on watching. I've been to the King's Lake a couple of times already, and in this video I want to show you some of my favorite spots and why I really love it there. Let's start with the town of Berchtesgaden, which dates back to 1102. The salt mining in the area began in 1517 and was the reason for the town's wealth. The town centre is rather touristy, with quite some shops offering sport clothes, souvenirs and lots of gemstones. Just look at all these beauties. Quite some facades show murals which are known as Lüftlmalerei, and you can also find traditional woodwork here. You can visit the castle and head inside during a guided tour, which costs €15 for adults. Right next to it is the collegiate church of St. Peter and St. John the Baptist, which dates back to the early 12th century. If you want to explore more of that stunning nature here, then best head to Schönau and walk down to the Königssee, aka King's Lake, and buy tickets for a boat ride. You can also walk to the left and head towards the Malerwinkel, which is a popular viewing point and definitely a great spot if you want to take stunning photos. We headed right to the ticket counter, and fortunately it wasn't that crowded this day, so we did get one for the next boat right away. This lake is actually Germany's third deepest lake, and it was formed by glaciers during the last ice age. It's about 1.7 kilometers wide at its widest point and around 7.7 kilometers long. It's also advertised as the cleanest lake in Germany, and only electric-powered passenger ships, rowing and paddle boats are allowed. The boat tour overall offers 3 stops. The main one in Schönau, which is the start and end point, then St. Bartholomä, where you can find a pilgrimage chapel and a beer garden close by. The last stop is Salet, from where you can reach the Obersee. Both stops are great if you enjoy hiking, but if you want to do that, please remember to bring the right equipment with you and don't miss the last boat getting back. The boat tour also includes a small show in the form of an instrument being played to showcase the echo of one special area. As we didn't have the time for both stops this time, here's some footage from the last time I was there with my parents. The chapel in St. Bartholomä was built in 1134, and the former hunting castle next to it now serves as a restaurant with a lovely beer garden in front. I told you before that it's a pilgrimage chapel, right? The Maria Alm pilgrimage, which is better known as the Bartholomä pilgrimage, is one of the oldest high-altitude pilgrimages in Europe, and its origins date back to 1635. This stop is also a great starting point for those hikers among you. Just as a small note, the ice chapel sadly collapsed in 2025, but there are other great hiking paths you can explore as well. We rowed the boat to the final stop, and wow, this part of the boat ride was really nice, as most people headed out at St. Bartholomä already. From here we walked to the Obersee, which is a really nice and easy walk, as the nature here is just stunning. So definitely bring a camera and enough time to fully breathe this in. What do you think? Would you like to hike here? The waterfall you can see in the back is actually Germany's highest waterfall. All of what you can see here is part of the National Park Berchtesgaden, the first and only German alpine national park. The protected area here is around 210 square kilometers big, and it's also part of the UNESCO Berchtesgadener Land Biosphere region. You might even see some marmots here. We stayed at the Hotel Brunneck, where we had room 26. The bed was comfortable and we slept well here. We also had a balcony towards the back, which was nice, but if you want better views, definitely pick a room on the other side of the house. Bathroom was good as well, but could have been a bit cleaner in some areas. As this house also serves as a restaurant, we then headed down for a lovely dinner. As we stayed the night, we started the next day with good breakfast. They offer a buffet and you can also order coffee, eggs and way more. As Berchtesgaden is surrounded by mountains, you can also hike up or down those lovely peaks. If you're not that much into hiking but still want to enjoy a lovely view, you can take the cable car up to the Jänner. You can get to the middle station at 1,200 meters and up to the mountain station at 1,800 meters. As soon as you head out, you can already spot the restaurant with the huge terrace. There's also a museum and a souvenir shop up here. We wanted to get even higher, so we walked up this hiking trail towards the summit at 1,874 meters. You best have some sturdy shoes for this walk though, and be careful. But the view from here is definitely something. Talking about views, Germany's highest panoramic road also offers nice ones, but you need a car to head up here. You need to pass through these gates and pay €9.50 to enter. It's a beautiful drive though, and once you're up, you can enjoy some snacks and drinks in this cafe and enjoy the view from the path above it. It's also, by the way, a great spot for film fans, as it had been used as a backdrop for quite some of them, such as The Sound of Music, Indiana Jones and The Last Crusade. For the last spot, we have to return to Berchtesgaden and then head underground. Let's visit the salt mines. After paying €26.50 for a ticket, we walked inside and slipped into these onesies before we gathered at the front and then sat down on this train. A group photo was taken here before the tour started, but you don't have to purchase it afterwards. Sadly, it's not allowed to take any photos or film inside, so I'm going to show you official footage from the homepage now. Oh, and one thing you need to know, it's always 12 degrees Celsius down here, so definitely bring a jacket. This train now leads you through narrow corridors down to the first stop. Here you can see a truly impressive zinc work which was built over 250 years ago. The tour guide explained how this chamber came to be, and for international visitors they do have audio guides as well. Then it was time to head down, either by sliding or walking. If you do take the slide, then they're going to take another picture which you can buy at the end of the tour. Sliding down was a lot of fun and actually way faster than I expected. After that you enter a long corridor with different stops, such as the Saltstone Grotto. When we were there, they were still building the film section, but it's ready now for you to enjoy. The rest of the path also shows some of the old machines used back then until it's time to head down another slide, or just take the stairs. Now you're in the best part of the tour, the Salt Lake. You're going to head into a boat and watch a light show while crossing. At the end, you can try the salt collected from here if you want to. And we certainly did. After this part, there's not that much left before you head up with a lift and then sit down on the train, which then takes you back to the entrance where you return the onesies and can buy any of the photos if you'd like. Apart from the mine itself, there's also other things you can do here, such as visit the Salt Health Cave or walk up this path right behind the train exit to enter this tunnel here. One of the staff members told us about that, and it was a true hidden spot as no one was up here. We were all alone. It was actually almost a bit creepy walking into this tunnel with no one else around. Berchtesgaden and the area around the King's Lake definitely offers some interesting history and fantastic nature. It's not really a hidden spot at all, and it can get quite crowded, but the nature here is truly worth a visit nonetheless. Which spot was your favorite, and what would you prefer? The dark of the mines or the top of the mountains? Thanks so much for watching, and I hope I was able to show you some interesting places for your next trip to Germany.